Today I'm gonna do a cold start on my CLS 55 AMG. I really didn't want to start it on the cold weather, but I noticed this. I never seen the car drop all the air out, and it's been sitting for maybe a week. So I'm very curious. Let's see. I hope it's nothing too big. It's going up. It's going up. I have no leak on the airbags or anywhere, but I guess cold weather does its job.